Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up selecting a closing attorney in USA step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your needs for a closing attorney. Research local closing attorneys in your area. Check online reviews and ratings to gauge their reputation. Ask friends, family, or colleagues for recommendations. Contact potential attorneys to inquire about their services. Verify that the attorney specializes in real estate transactions. Request information about their experience and qualifications. Inquire about their fees and how they charge for their services. Schedule a consultation to discuss your needs and expectations. Prepare questions to ask during your consultation. Evaluate their communication style and responsiveness. Assess how comfortable you feel discussing your case with them. Review their proposed timeline for the closing process. Ask about any additional services they may provide. Confirm their availability on the date of your closing. Make sure to discuss any potential issues or complications that may arise. Consider their geographical knowledge of your local market. Once you've narrowed down your options, compare your top choices. Select the attorney who best fits your needs and budget. Notify the chosen attorney and provide them with necessary documentation. Confirm their understanding of the transaction specifics. Set up a follow-up meeting or call to finalize arrangements. Keep lines of communication open as you approach the closing date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.